Hi guys, good afternoon. I am so excited today because I received my vlogging kit and we will do unboxing. Yay! So I will show you what I got here and then I will try it in my cell phone. This is just for cell phone because I'm just new in vlogging, so I don't want to spend more money for the vlogging kit. So for now, this is just for small YouTuber. So let's open. This is from Amazon. Okay, I already prepared my scissor. Yes, exciting. So, this is the one I ordered. This is the microphone from Tikysky video microphone. So this one, and then I ordered also a SanDisk microSD. So this one, I'll try also this in my phone today. And then I wanted to show you what's inside of this because yesterday I thought it's that coming, but today when we checked the post office in our PO box, it's there. So let's open. Oh, here's the inside of this, and then there is a mini tripod, so I could use this when I am vlogging, so I can put this in the table when I do vlogging, or in the kitchen when I do vlogging with my cooking. So this is so nice. So this is the it's very nice because it's adjustable. I can rotate this. So this is also a review from this Tikysky Tikysky video microphone. So it's going to be like this. So I can put this in the table, or I can just hold like this when I do vlogging. So this is nice. And then so I got also this one so that when I do vlogging, it's not very noisy. So this will prevent from the noise, and my voice will be very clear. So, and then there's a holder also, and this one. And there's also a connector. Okay. This is the windproof cover. And then this is the stand. So let's open this one because the microphone is here. Okay. Okay. So this is the microphone. Interesting. I'm so excited with this thing because this is new to me. So it's very exciting to do new things. So I cannot put it back, so I'll put it back later. And then there is a phone cable. So this is the camera cable, and this is a phone cable. Oh, this is very nice. So when I do this, I read the instruction so that I would know what's this thing here. This is so interesting. And this is my microSD card because when I do vlogging long like 30 minutes to 1 hour, my cell phone have a lot of photos and some videos that I don't like to be deleted. So that's why I just bought this microSD, and I will put this in my phone so that it would be easier for me to just save here the video. So, and then I will try to put this in my phone. So I just need to eject this, but I forgot the one I will put it here so that I could get I can pull it out. Now we will put in the microSD, but first I will eject you. I'm using this one for the phone. So this is the SIM card. I'll put it back the SIM card. And then I'll put this microSD. So we'll cut it first. There's a lot of cutting here. And then let's open. There. This is my new microSD. So I put it in my here. So we'll make sure that it fits like this, and then we will put it back here on the side of the spoon. Okay. So we put in already the micro SD here. And then we will start to assemble this plugging kit. So this is the mini tripod. So I will connect this with here, the cell phone holder. And then we'll put in the cell phone. Like this. So what you will do, you will just lift and then put it back. So it's going to be like this. We'll make sure the you need to touch this one. You don't need to touch this one here because this is the thing where the cell phone will be off. And then we'll put the stand. So there is a little thing here in the stand, so you will just insert in here this thingy here. So we'll insert, and then we will lock. So it's going to be like this. So it will going to be like this. So next step is the windproof cover for the microphone. So we'll put it together. This is an interesting thing. So it's already like this here. So I put it together, and then we will put this one here, this one. So that we will insert here in this side, and then it's going to be like this. Yeah, that's nice. And then we will connect this cable phone cable. So we'll insert here. Okay, so it's very easy. So I can do my vlogging like this one, and then my voice will be very clear. So it's just very easy. I thought it will be hard. So, but it goes well. And then I have also another thing for the microphone, so that it's still for the noise. So, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.